No, third one.
She's going to say, I'm not saying this.
दिल चीज़ क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए बस एक बार मेरा बस एक बार मेरा मान लीजिए
Yeah, but like this side, that's what that's fine.
She's still saying
जान लीजिए दीवार दर को और
Nandini, welcome back. And I felt it was actually not Nandini but Rekha out there. That was phenomenal. That was phenomenal. So at this point, I think Rama and Mini, I mean, they are talented duos, amazing performers. You know, I've seen them in action many times, so I'm really looking forward to that, but they are not ready yet. So we'll have to just wait. We'll skip to the next one, and I believe it's Vijay coming up here.
I'm gonna do a duet. All right. Right here. Hello. It's our first time here. So thank you for the encouragement.
Big round of applause for
Ready to get the applause before we sing. Okay, so this is from the movie Three Idiots. And the song is Zubi Dubi. Our nephew.
Shake you pagal stupid man.
Zubi dubi zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa. Zubi dubi, shake you pagal stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे हैं,
दीवार किरने गा रहे हैं या पंछी गा रहे हैं।
बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
Ay ay ay, zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa.
Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa. Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
Ay ay ay, zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampa.
Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi dubi dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam.
Zooby dooby, not take you for a girl, stupid dance.
अंबर का चांद जमीन पर इतरा के गा रहा, एक टिम टिम टूटा तारा इतला के गा रहा।
है रात अकेली तन्हा, मुझे छू ले आके तू।
जैसे फिल्मों में होता है, हो रहा है हूबहू।
आय आय आय,
Zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby nache, you pagal stupid man. Zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby nache, you pagal stupid man. Zooby, ba-da-da-da-da-da dooby, ba-da-da-da-da-da zooby dooby pagal stupid man.
so our nephew Ritvik is going to join now and sing a song.
Come on, Ritvik. Different CD?
No, I didn't know. Okay.
Just CD.
Okay, so this is an older movie, I think. It was one of Amir Khan's first movies.
Perfect.
Remember the name of the
Big round of applause for our very Finish.
Yeah, I have to join him in the end, so I'll keep it
Start.
short.
Keep going.
Okay, sorry. चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो, मैंने सुन लिया कि साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया, सुन लिया, मैंने सुन लिया।
पहला नशा, पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है, नया इंतजार। कर दूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ, है दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता। उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, क्या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं। उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, क्या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं। एक कर दूं आसमां जमीन, कहो यारों क्या करूं क्या नहीं। पहला नशा, पहला खुमार,
क्या अपना हाल, ए दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता, तू ही बता, तू ही बता.
Thank you. Big hand for Ritik.
Thank you, Jayesh. Thank you, Ritvik.
It's for you, right?
So, I think the second one was Jo Jeeta Bhai Sikandar, right? Jo Jeeta Bhai Sikandar. That was a good movie. But the previous one was obviously Three Idiots. And with the Three Idiots, I think people were clapping and, people were stamping their foot. I think we need to try a new format. Whenever Jayashree and Vijay visit, we need to try a new format. We need to clear the tables and we need to dance. Clear the room out. I mean, that was incredible. The foot was tapping and good music, amazing singers. So are Rama and Vinny ready?
MC.
Vinny.
Well, yeah, why don't you ask?
Can I hook up the iPad?
Absolutely. Yep. Come on up here. We have had some really amazing talents who have come in today, so feeling very blessed. Thank you. Thank you all for joining in.
And then we'll do that.
Hello. नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं
Sound better. Round it.
कैसे पहले है ये कैसे पहले जिंदगानी
Somebody else is ready, then they can go. Anyone else ready before, so we can get this sorted out?
Ah